Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position. It is white to play and win. White is winning this and white's pawn is going forward in this direction. So as always, pause the video and guess the move, but a little disclaimer, this position is not easy. Some of you might think this is an obvious puzzle. This is clearly white is winning, but black has a trap. I hope you don't fail to the trap. So go ahead, pause the video and guess the move. Best of luck. Okay, so what most people do in this position is they push the pawn promote to a queen and hope to deliver checkmate on the next move, or they are going to trade the queen so that they can win with the remaining queen. Well, that is a good idea, but the problem is now black can play queen to g4 check. And if you had a chance to see that the black king can't move anywhere, right? It's boxed, and if you capture the queen, this is going to be stalemate draw, right? So this is actually bad for you, and you can't escape the check, right? So you may probably retreat with your king, but you will never totally escape the checks, and the checks would never end, right? So these are the check, and eventually once you get into the edge of the board, black is going to give you a check like this. Well, you have no choice except to capture the queen and stalemate black. So now you understand this is not an easy puzzle, right? So to what you promote? Well, if you promote to a rook, the same thing would happen, right? Still black king can't move, so black will do the same trick. So how about a bishop? This is going to be checkmate. But now black can play queen to g6 check, and you have to capture with the queen, and this is insufficient material, a draw. So promoting to a bishop is not the solution either. So promoting to a knight is the solution. Yeah, that is the first move, and you have to play correct in order to win the game from this position on. So black now has got only one move, which is king to g8. So what do you think the next best move is? Okay, the move is knight to e6. Well, we are threatening checkmate on both of these squares, and black has to deal with them. So now the only way to stop the checkmate is to play queen to f7. Let me show you why the other moves don't work. If black plays here, we checkmate here. This is checkmate. And if black plays here to defend this checkmate, we are going to deliver checkmate this way. So black has to stop both of these trades by playing queen to f7. And now we are going to play queen to d8, and now the king has got only one move, king to h7, and we are going to fork the queen and the king this way. And if black decided to block the check, we simply capture that with the queen and deliver checkmate this way. So we are going to win the game no matter what black plays. So this is actually the solution. So guys, Thank you for watching up to this point. I hope you found all of the correct moves. Thank you for watching again. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.